Have you ever found out the person you trusted most was lying to you? I thought my boss was a fair man, but I discovered his secret. Everyone in the office hated me. They called me the useless intern. They made me carry heavy boxes and clean the coffee machine. However, one day, a lawyer came to our meeting. He asked for the son of Mr. Tanaka, the founder of this company. Every person looked at the CEO. But the lawyer walked past him. He stopped in front of me. "Sir," he said, "your father left you everything." The whole room went silent. My boss's face turned white. How could the intern they ignored be the real owner? My name is Kenji. 3 months ago, I started as an intern at Tanaka Global. It is a big company in Tokyo. My father, Mr. Tanaka, started this company 30 years ago. He died last year. Before he died, he told me, "Kenji, go work in the company. See how people treat a nobody. Then you will know who is honest." So I became an intern. I used my mother's family name, so nobody knew who I was. The CEO, Mr. Sato, was my father's old friend. He became the boss after my father died. I thought he was a good man. But from my first day, I saw the truth. Mr. Sato was cruel. He shouted at everyone. He fired people for small mistakes. The worst person was my colleague, David. He was a senior manager. He loved to make my life difficult. Every morning, David gave me the worst jobs. "Clean the bathroom, intern," he would say with a smile. "Then get my coffee. And make it fast." I never said no. I did every job well. I watched everything. I wrote notes in my small book. One day, the company had a big meeting about a new project. Everyone was there. Mr. Sato talked about deadlines and salaries. I was there to carry the projector. David pushed me. "Move, useless," he whispered. The projector fell. It broke. The intern broke it. David shouted. Everyone laughed. Mr. Sato looked at me. "You will pay for that from your salary," he said. But I had no salary. Interns get no money. I looked at the floor. I thought about my father's words. Was this the honest company he built? That night, I went to my small apartment. I looked at my father's old watch. It was very expensive. I hid it under my bed. I promised myself, I will wait. The truth will come out. But the next morning, something terrible happened. The next morning, David called a meeting. He told everyone to come to the main room. "We have a thief in the office," he said. My heart beat fast. David looked at me. Someone stole Mr. Sato's expensive pen from his desk. It was a gift from a client. It is worth 1 month's salary. Everyone looked at me. Why? Because I was the poor intern. I had nothing. Search his bag, someone said. David smiled. He opened my bag. He pulled out a small box. Inside was the pen. Look, he shouted. The intern is a thief. I was shocked. I did not take the pen. Someone put it there. I did not do this, I said. My voice was quiet. Liar! David shouted. You are fired. Get out now. Mr. Sato watched. He said nothing. He just nodded. I felt my face get hot. My eyes were wet. But I did not cry. I picked up my bag. I will go, I said. But I want to say one thing. This pen is a cheap copy. The real pen has a gold inside. I took the pen. I showed everyone. It was not gold. David's face changed. How do you know that? He asked. Because my father collected pens, I said. I walked out. I had a secret meeting that afternoon. My father's lawyer, Mr. Kim, wanted to see me. He said it was time. Time for what? I did not know. But when I got to the lawyer's office, he had a very old document. It was my father's will. Your father wanted you to work for 3 months, Mr. Kim said. Today is the last day. Tomorrow, you will be the owner of Tanaka Global. I could not speak. The owner? Me? But I was just an intern. There is one more thing, Mr. Kim said. Mr. Sato knows. He has been trying to stop this. He wants the company for himself. I suddenly understood everything. The broken projector. The stolen pen. It was all a plan to get me fired before today. The next morning, I did not go to my intern desk. I went to the main building. The big building. The one with the CEO's office. Mr. Kim, the lawyer, was with me. We took the special elevator to the top floor. When the doors opened, Mr. Sato was there. David was with him. They were laughing. The intern is gone. David said. Now, Mr. Sato, you can sign the new papers. You will own 50% of the company. Mr. Sato smiled. My old friend Tanaka was a fool, he said. He trusted me. But this company is mine now. That was the moment. I walked out of the elevator. No, I said. My voice was strong. It is not. They turned. Their smiles disappeared. What are you doing here? David shouted. Security. But no one came. Mr. Kim stepped forward. He opened his briefcase. "This is the last will of Mr. Tanaka," he said. "Everything goes to his only son, Kenji Tanaka." He showed the papers. My father's signature was on them. "This is a lie," Mr. Sato shouted. "Kenji is a poor intern. He has no money." I took off my old intern ID badge. I put it on the table. Then I took out my father's watch. The expensive one. "This was his," I said. He gave it to me. "You remember this watch, don't you, Mr. Sato? You tried to buy it from him many times." Mr. Sato's face went pale. He knew. David looked confused. But you are just an intern," he whispered. "I am the son of the man who built this company," I said. "And I watched you. I saw how you treat people. You are fired. Both of you." They started to shout. But security came. They took them away. I sat in my father's chair. It was big and comfortable. I looked out the window at the city. I was the boss now. But I did not feel happy. I felt sad. Sad because my father's friend was a bad man. Sad because people are cruel when they think you are nobody. Then I made a decision. I picked up the phone. I called a meeting for the whole company. Everyone came. They were scared. They thought I would fire them all. David and Mr. Sato were gone. The people who laughed at me looked at the floor. I stood up. "I am Kenji Tanaka," I said. "The son of the founder. I was the intern you called useless. But I am not here for revenge. I am here to build a good company. A fair company. Like my father wanted." I gave a promotion to a woman named Maria. She was always kind to me. She brought me water when I was tired. I increased salaries for all the workers. I started new projects that were good for people, not just for money. The lesson I learned is this: do not judge a person by their clothes or their job. The quiet intern might be the owner. The person you look down on might be the one who saves you. Treat everyone with kindness, because you never know their story. And if you are the one being treated badly, do not lose hope. Keep working hard. Your time will come. The truth always comes out. Thank you for listening to my story. Remember, kindness is the most powerful thing.